Hello, my name is Benai Tucker, and I'm here with
Jeremy.
Itzel. Ileana.
For the past 5 weeks in our physics class, we have been working on building a miniature model house with 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, I want to say 2 hallways, a kitchen, a living room, and a working elevator along with working lights in each room. So, come with us on our
For our elevator work, I'm here because I want to explain how the motor actually works. Through the wire of the coil of the wire flows the electricity from the battery. It goes into the motor, and inside the motor we have a coil of wire and 2 magnets. One of the magnets is representing north, the other one representing south. It creates an electromagnetic field that causes the coil of the wire to spin, causing our motor to start working. And then once our motor starts working, it causes to lift the work up, and boom, our elevator is working.
One of the requirements for our project of our house was to implicate a switch into our hallway of our house. The switch is going to turn on the lights of our hallway and off. They do this by opening and closing a circuit. An opening circuit turns in the lights off, and a closed circuit turns the lights on.
In our house, we had to have 2 different types of circuits, a series and a parallel circuit. The difference between the two is that the series has a single path for the current, the lights are dim, and when a light goes out, so do the rest of them. Meanwhile, with parallel, has multiple paths for the current, the lights are really bright, and if a light goes out, the rest of them are able to stay on.
The final requirement for our house project was to add an electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current, and it can be turned on or off depending on whether the current is flowing. We used the magnet to make a floating picture frame.